guys know I've lost over 220 pounds, and I told you recently that I'm restarting my weight loss journey. I want to lose like another 20-30 pounds, and I decided every week to make it easier on myself, I'm going to come up with a meal plan. I did a little grocery haul, just a little baby grocery haul, and just got things I needed to make the meals with. So we'll start out with produce, what I got. So I just got some mini sweet peppers, a red onion, shredded lettuce, and I got some strawberries. They don't look that great. A little snacky snack that's very low calorie. I got some pickles. I like Vlasic. And cottage cheese, you know I love the Daisy. I got some plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Fage? I think that's how you say it. I don't know. It's my favorite tasting one. I got some liquid egg whites, bacon bits, turkey peps, and then I got some diced jalapenos. Yes, I know it's jalapenos. It's just more fun to say jalapeno, okay? And boiled eggs. Can I boil them myself? Yes. Do I want to? Absolutely not. So that concludes my little haul. I got my husband a couple things, but this is what's for me. So for the meal plan for the week, I plan to do kind of like what y'all call a girl dinner. So it'll just be some lunch meat, some cheese, peppers, strawberries, and then I'll do a jalapeno popper egg salad. And then I have these chicken fillets that I got from Sam's Club. I'll eat those chicken fillets with some green beans. And I figured I could also use them to make like a chicken quesadilla. So that's the menu for the week. This is going to help me stay on track. I'm already feeling better cutting the sugar and the carbs back out. The cravings have went down tremendously. So stay tuned for some recipes.